Universal 2 days. How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are at Universal Studio. We're gonna do 2 days, and today there's not many people because I picked weekdays, which is Tuesday. Perfect. Last Universal Studio that I went was last year. It was in Universal Orlando. It looks kind of different. I like here more, the weather and everything. I don't know, it's just my opinion. Have you got a ticket? Okay, no reply. Thank you. Can you say that again?
He said people who are here are mostly tourists because people who actually live here, they don't come here.
We just moved here, so we're still tourists, I guess. As usual, I need to take a picture here. So first we're gonna go to Kung Fu Panda.
Family over there easily Kung Fu fans.
This is actually fun, I love it. Now we're gonna go to the Simpsons ride. The Fast and Furious is in construction right now. That's so fun. How's it going? At all. It's literally like just a projector, and then we just sit on the thing and then keep moving. So nice view. Now the third one, we're gonna go to studio tour.
Before we get our party started, and yes, that City Hall building is the iconic location for that clock tower as seen in the Back to the Future franchise.
1985, 1955, 2015, to this day.
And this general, the kid, it made me inside the tram. Please, we do not want anything falling out. I'm on a break currently. It's okay. No.
So one thing I noticed from the bus tour is that this year, 2024, is Universal Studio Hollywood anniversary, and this studio in California is the oldest Universal Studio, by the way, and it's opened in 1912, which is a long time ago. So now we're towards the end of the studio tour, and then yeah, it's been great. It's so interesting, guys. I love it so much.
Really intense.
With a 100% chance of rain.
He does the rest, but it's not. What is the way we started a flash flood? Featuring films like Big Fat.
Come close. Get it. That's what this whole team, the brand new Star Auto experience.
Let's get friends over, it's a little messy.
I need your help.
Driver, move that vehicle.
2 seconds ago I was so hungry, and now I'm so full. Now we're going to the Harry Potter one. This one I've already been in Orlando, but I don't know if it's gonna be like the exact same one, so we'll see. And I can't film anything inside, obviously. So yeah. fun, but it wasn't exciting because I did that before. Now we're gonna go on this. It's still a Harry Potter ride. Okay, so we're done for the day. My lipstick is all gone. It was really fun, this ride, but it's very short. It's literally less than 30 seconds. Now we're gonna go home. It was a fun day today.
What do you think of today?
It was a fun day.
Okay, thank you for watching and like and subscribe. Say like and subscribe
Like and subscribe.
to my channel, please. Bye! Okay, actually we're not leaving yet. There is a show, so we'll see if there is or not. We're still in the Harry Potter area.
It's gonna be in an hour. It's gonna be in an hour.
So it's gonna be an hour? Okay, then we know. Bye guys!
Come out, play out,